Today we're taking a look at the brand new BOOX Go 6 Gen 2. The Go 6 Gen 2 is a compact 6-inch e-ink reader designed for people who want a lightweight device for reading books, library content, articles, and documents wherever they go. This particular unit is the plum color version. It's a very dark color, and in most lighting conditions it looks almost black. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box you'll find the BOOX Go 6 Gen 2, a USB-C cable, a card tray eject tool, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. That's everything you need to get started. The first thing I noticed after taking it out of the box is how light it feels. At only 160 grams, it's easy to hold with one hand and comfortable enough for long reading sessions. The compact size also makes it easy to slip into a jacket pocket, purse, backpack, or travel bag. I also picked up the new TPU protective case. Installing it is very simple. Just snap the reader into the case and you're ready to go. The case adds some extra protection without making the device feel bulky. The power button and USB-C port remain easily accessible. One thing worth mentioning is that once the TPU case is installed, the microSD card slot is covered by the case. If you want to install or remove a memory card, you'll need to remove the device from the TPU case first. Now here's something interesting. I still have the magnetic cover from the original BOOX Go 6, and I wanted to see if it would fit the new Gen 2 model. Let's try it. The good news is that it fits perfectly. Since this is a folio-style cover, the device simply snaps into the shell inside the cover, and the dimensions appear to be the same between the two generations. The cover closes properly and feels secure. So if you're upgrading from the original Go 6 and already own the magnetic cover, you may not need to purchase a new one. Now let's power on the device. The Go 6 Gen 2 features a 6-inch e-ink display with a resolution of 1448 by 1072 pixels and a sharp 300 PPI pixel density. Text looks crisp, clean, and very easy to read. Whether you're reading novels, nonfiction books, or articles, the screen provides a comfortable paper-like reading experience. The front light supports both warm and cool color temperature adjustment, allowing you to customize the screen depending on your environment and personal preference. One of the things I like about BOOX devices is the flexibility. You're not limited to a single bookstore or reading platform. You can install your favorite reading apps and keep all of your books in one place. The Go 6 Gen 2 comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. If that's not enough space for your library, there's also a microSD card slot for additional storage. Now let's take a look at one of the biggest additions to the Go 6 Gen 2, support for the new InkSense Plus pen. I'll open a book and demonstrate some annotation features. While reading, I can highlight text, underline important passages, and write notes directly inside the book. This can be useful when studying, reading nonfiction, reviewing material, or simply saving information you want to come back to later. The writing experience feels surprisingly natural for a device this small. Of course, this is still primarily a reading device, and that's where it really shines. The compact size makes it easy to carry everywhere, while the sharp display and flexible app support make it easy to access your favorite books and reading services. After spending some time with the Go 6 Gen 2, it feels like a solid update to the original model. You still get the excellent portability, sharp 300 PPI display, expandable storage, and access to your favorite reading apps, while gaining support for the new InkSense Plus pen. If you're looking for a compact e-ink reader that can handle books, library apps, annotations, and everyday reading, the BOOX Go 6 Gen 2 is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about the BOOX Go 6 Gen 2, feel free to leave them in the comments below.